रत्ना ज्योति रत्ना ज्योति महा उपाध्याय आचार्य Dr. P.J. Shastri PhD overall astrological predicted by license holder with government registered PhD astrologer and gemologist Maha Upadhyay Acharya Dr. P.J. Shastri PhD Dr. P.J. Shastri astrology government registered number CAMR 294 of 2001 by 70736 gemology government registered number STVT 60910100078 Dr. P.J. Shastri PhD get Jyotish Sagar Jyotish Samrat Maha Upadhyay Acharya Vastu Shastra Maha Upadhyay Acharya Vastu Shastra Bisad Shastri government registered gemologist doctorate submitted thesis of Bhagavad Gita Astro researcher with 4 gold medalists Rudraksha Bisard All India Conference First Award 2005 Raj Jyotishi Sarna Mukt Award 2006 Secretary of Jyoti Sopan Palmist Numerologist Horoscope Maker and Reader Jyotish Ratna Award 2012 Member of College of Astro Medical Research Board Director Ratna Jyoti excited of pleased to announce the launch of our new auto-generated PDF horoscope with all type astrology system. Dr. P.J. Ratna Jyoti is the perfect platform that merges science with art through technology. Ratna Jyoti is the only Indian app-based solution that provides for astrology services called Astrology. It helps to get horoscope prediction, matchmaking, daily prediction result, numerology and other astrological calculation and report making to a business app or website. Astrology has been a part of my history and my love and understanding of technology helped me integrate astrology with the latest technology to connect with a large audience across the globe. Over the period, my two main observations on the subject were that A. Astrology market unaddressed in terms of technology. B. Generally people who were proficient in astrology were unaware of the latest technologies and vice versa. This gap prevents astrology guidance reaching to a wider audience and only reaches to a limited set of crowd. Ratna Jyoti bridges this gap between astrology and technology, and we have introduced Kundli and astrology to the world. Believes that astrology is 75% sciences and 25% art, as one needs to interpret the reading on the basis of their current situation. Astrology knowledge is transferred to website and mobile apps with calculation and formulas by building algorithms. The astrological algorithms are personalized based on age, gender, place, and other behavioral traits to give uniqueness to reports. We also utilize some bits of machine learning to correct algorithm and report. Ratna Jyoti does all the complex astronomical and algorithms calculation with astrology predictions and all type astro matching website and apps provides you. We are certified and natural diamond and gems merchant and exporter, and we provide astrology consultancy with gem testing lab. We provide all type below astro judgment predicted by Dr. P.J. Shastri. We provide guarantee with privacy on all type astrology consultancy. Horoscope Kundli, Thikuji, Kusti make with judgment. Numerology, full judgment. Hand palm reading with judgment. All type Vastu and consultant. Lal Kitab wise judgment. Horand, Horari judgment. Gemology education wise prediction. Daily result. Astrology prediction. Krishnamurti, Janimi, Prarasara. Bhrigu math used for judgment. Panchasara judgment. Krishna Lagna judgment. Daily result judgment, Muhurat judgment, bar shuffle, yearly, monthly, date-wise result, Rashi-wise result prediction, Samudrik-wise judgment, Naksha-wise result prediction, any quotation Lagna prediction, Dashavarga-wise power judgment, Dharma and Karma judgment, Astrabarga voice judgment, education and profession life, marriage and marriage life judgment, name Gulik, Kalbela, Yambela, Kal Sarpa Yog judgment with remedy, Manglik Dosh judgment with remedy, all type Yog judgment, state of health position judgment, house prediction, Satru and Mitra with all yoga prediction, travel position prediction, characteristics with mental position, service life and money position judgment, Bimsotori Dasha detail judgment, Saturn Rahu Dasa detail judgment, Sare Sati Sani judgment, Yogini and Bhrigu Dasa judgment, Saro Satori Dasa detail judgment, name analysis for life path, we try all type confirm remedy. You go to any astrologer much time for one problem queries, but you go to Dr. P.J. Shastri one time for many problem query.